Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Chevy Corvette. Stock number is A7289A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have 4-point exhaust here on the back. Taking a look now in the trunk area. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now. You have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Corvette on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.